Hello, how are you today? My name is Carlos, and today I'm so excited because I want to show you one of my, not the best, the one that I like the most of my sculptures, and it's my Baby Yoda. I know I'm probably the last one in the world that I have done this, creating a Baby Yoda, but I have to do it. I really love Star Wars and the universe, except for all the things that Disney did it to ruin it, but that's another video probably. But I really love this one, and it's simple. I know for experts probably they can find thousands of mistakes, but I just love it. It's mine. I cannot believe I create something like this, even if it is really simple. And I want to say this because if you're someone like me that you think that you cannot do something, that you're not good at it, like writing, painting, singing, and sculpting, just do it. Just start doing it and create. And it's nothing like practice to make you better. And I've been doing pretty much all of them, from painting, singing. I wrote a couple books, and it's just so exciting when I finish something. It's just amazing. So I really invite you that just start creating. Start creating. Is amazing to watch videos and tutorials, but you have to start now. Create, watch this video. I hope it inspire you, and see you next time. Like, comment below, subscribe, and enjoy your art. this at the end, it was just a simple photo to check how it will look. I know it was really simple, it's not really good, but I did a digital painting on my piece. I don't want to paint it because right now, because of the situation we're living, they closed one of my favorite store, Blix, and that's the place where I go and I buy and I get my ribbon 25 and my smooth on 300. That is what I use to mold and cast in resin. So I want to mold and cast in resin this piece, so I'm not gonna paint it yet, but I'm gonna have to wait until they reopen. But if you wanna see it, look for that video. I'm gonna do it. And my next video, I did a Ninja Turtle that the mold and the cast, it was a disaster. So if you are curious about molding and how things wrong can get, you can check that out. Like, comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.